Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best spy camera on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Blink Mini. The camera boasts full HD capability and an array of security features, including motion detection and infrared night vision. Its two-way audio functionality adds convenience, allowing users to communicate with their pets or address any concerns remotely. However, a notable downside is the absence of an SD slot and internal storage. To save footage and images, users are left with 2 options: either subscribe to a cloud storage plan or purchase the Sync Module 2 hub at the cost of the camera itself. This hub enables the offloading of clips to a USB stick or similar device. While the camera's affordability is a significant advantage, the additional cost for storage considerations may be a factor for potential buyers to consider. Number 2. Blink Indoor. The Blink Indoor, although not particularly small, excels as a home security camera, offering better video quality compared to smaller, less noticeable devices. While it may not qualify as a spy camera due to its size, its features make it a robust choice for home surveillance. Equipped with two-way audio through the Blink app, the camera allows users to communicate with potential intruders remotely. Its wire-free design, powered by 2Ah batteries with a lifespan of up to 2 years, ensures convenience and minimal maintenance. Integration with Alexa enhances accessibility, enabling users to view live streams or disable the camera using voice commands. The camera provides full HD recording during daylight hours and switches to infrared HD night vision at night, ensuring continuous monitoring. Number 3. Arlo Essential Spotlight. If you're in need of home protection and monitoring, the Arlo Essential Spotlight is a versatile choice that can be placed almost anywhere using its screw and mount. Notably, it doesn't require the Arlo Smart Hub to function, although it can be connected if you have one. This spy camera comes well equipped with features, including motion detection and an effective vision range of 300 feet. It also includes a spotlight that can serve as an intruder deterrent. The non-removable battery offers a substantial lifespan, with the manufacturer claiming up to 6 months, though it requires the entire rig to be taken down for charging. Setting up the camera is a straightforward process, and once connected to your phone via the app, you gain control over various functions. Number 4. Clao Spy Camera. This discreet spy camera maintains a low profile by concealing the electronics, including the battery and microphone, down a cable for discreet placement. This design allows for the simplicity of a phone-friendly camera while being easier to hide. Featuring options for motion detection or continuous recording, the camera also offers a loop mode to prioritize the most recent footage at the expense of older recordings. The inclusion of a 32GB DF card facilitates easy review on a computer, and users have the option to replace it with a larger card if needed. With a recording rate of 30 FPS, the camera provides approximately 4 hours of recording time with the included 32GB card. Number 5. Vure Hidden Spy Camera. This wall clock not only tells time but also conceals a hidden spy camera, making it a seamless addition to offices or kitchens. The well-camouflaged lens ensures a low likelihood of discovery, offering an inconspicuous surveillance option. Triggered by motion, the video recording activates an app on your smartphone while simultaneously saving footage to an SD card. This dual functionality provides both real-time monitoring and convenient storage for later review. The clock's everyday utility enhances its covert nature, and the integrated spy camera seamlessly blends into the surroundings. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.